The province of Ifugao in the north of the Philippines is known for its UNESCO heritage rice terraces that run through the Cordilleras mountain range, from the most famous ones in Banawe to some that remain quite remote. This province is one of the only ones that was barely affected by colonization and maintains until this day a strong indigenous culture. The Igorot is a group of 20 different tribes that inhabit these mountainous areas. Each of them have their own roots and belief systems. The Ifugaos are one of these tribes.
Uy, nakaring ni Vladimir yun. Maganda eh. Namangirod kita.
Kumusta ka na? Okay ka na ba?
While I was walking along the fields, admiring the scenery, someone called my name, and I saw them were walking towards my direction.
Kamusta ang pakiramdam mo?
Ganda't napaglalad ka na ng maayos ngayon. Di tulad ng una mong dating dito. Ang dami mong galos at sugat. Halos di ka pa nga makapaglalad ng maayos.
Maayos na po ang pakiramdam ko. Salamat. Medyo ramdam lang ang kirot tuwing igagalaw ko ng sobra.
Sige, sumama ka sa amin nang maipahinga mo.
Uy, Tiago.
Pwede ko po bang maitanong kung ano ang ganap ngayong araw?
Eto ba? Aba, magkakaroon lang naman ng munting sayawan na kung saan yan tawag na bumayang. Kung saan binibigyan namin ng puri si Kabunyan. Inikilalang Diyos ng magandang ani namin dito sa aming bayan.
Ito pa, magkakaroon kami ng konting salo-salo. Pagkatapos, pupunta tayo ng ilog upang magkaroon ng paligsahan sa pagitan ng ibang grupo ng Ifugao sa lugar na ito.
Oh, Tago, sama ka sa ilog mamaya. Gusto ko sana humingi ng kaba sa'yo na pwede ka bang tagapagtinap mamaya sa labanan ng ilog.
Sige, mukhang masaya na.
Aba, oo naman, kasi ang mananalong tribo ay siyang magtapon ng kanal. Isa nga nito, nagawa sa tangkay ng palay, ay inanin namin. At kaming mga babae ay sali rin sa mga ilan.
Magsisilbi kasi itong tapos na ang anihan dito sa aming bayan.
Tara na at magsisimula na ang sayawan.
Tara!
So at the end of the tug of war, there's like a small competition happening right now. They even voted out for the best kind of bark that was used for the tug of war. And at the end of it, there's the guy who won received some surprise money, which is incredible. And these festivities are cool, very cool. And we're about to eat some food. I guess I was lucky enough that they rescued me. I mean, this whole event feels like a privilege for an outsider like me to experience. I must cherish this moment once my time to leave this village has come to an end.